How to remove phone number from PayPal account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can remove phone number from PayPal account. Now here I won't be able to show you on the app itself, but here I'll show you on the browser, and the process is same on the app itself as well. Now here if you want to do it on browser, you can head into paypal.com and there you want to log into your account. In my case here you can see that I'm already logged into my account. What you want to do is you can see the three horizontal line icon at the top left corner. You want to simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can see the little gear icon there beside the logout option. You want to head into settings. If you are on app, you want to simply head into your account settings option. Now here you can see I'm on the account settings option. If I scroll down further below here, you can see the email option, and below it you'll find the phone numbers option. Now here you can see the change option and add option, but you won't be able to delete it. Now in order to delete or remove the phone number, first you'll have to add the phone number. You can simply tap on add, and from there you'll have to add another number, and then you'll be able to remove the previous number, or you can change it directly. So this is the only way you can remove phone number from PayPal account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.